I love your lipstick, babe. Babe, we're gonna try out some new goods, okay? I have already done my foundation because I was going to try this guy out, but I don't have the right shade. I only have 120 Classic Ivory and 220 Natural Beige. And Classic Ivory, this is the 4th from the lightest shade, so I'm so sorry. The foundation I am using is this Rodial. This is the Airbrush Makeup Heavy Duty Foundation Paste, and it is a paste, and it is very full coverage. Oh, and look who's trying to get up here already, hey? Not today, boy, okay? If I get my hands on my shade, I'll hopefully do a review of this foundation because I've heard a lot of things about it. So I want to let you in on a little secret, and sometimes I use blonde eyebrow pencils because my hair already is so dark. So today I'm actually going to be using a blonde eyebrow pencil. This is the Total Temptation Brow Definer, and it is in the shade Blonde. And I have one done so you can really see how good it looks. So I'm going to fill the other one in, showing you guys how this works. Now this is super cool because it's almost like a little diamond shape, and it's a nice waxy pencil too, and I adore it. So I'm just going to fill them in as I normally do. And this has a little like teardrop shaped spoolie at the end. It's like so fat. Look at it. It's so cute. So there's a little secret of mine, and like look how good my brows look using a blonde pencil. They look nearly the exact same, except it's a little bit softer, and you know, I can look a little soft sometimes. I really liked how easy this was to apply. It gave me a really natural look. I'm digging it. I am going to top it off with a little bit of brow gel. And I have this ratchet old NYX Control Freak. It's my favorite brow gel because it holds them in place. It's literally like hair gel for your brows. I'm just going to flick them up a bit, give them a little feathery look. Maybelline has so many new palettes out. It's like palette heaven. And I don't even know which one I want to use. This one's kind of speaking to me. So this one is the Burgundy Bar. Like, how gorgeous is that? Are you biting me right now? Are you biting me right now?
How gorgeous is that? Are you biting me right now?
This guy is the Total Temptation Shadow and Highlight Palette. This guy is the City Kits Pink Edge, and then this one is the City Kits Urban Light. What, boy? What? What's wrong? What? Okay, you go back there. I think I'm gonna go into the City Kits Pink Edge just because I really like this blush, and then this purple shade speaking to me. I am first gonna prime my eyes. I just have a little bit of the Urban Decay Primer Potion in Fix. And before I start my eyeshadow, I am going to lay down just some loose setting powder underneath my eyes to catch any fallout if there is any. But first, I am going to use some tape on this look. I haven't used tape in so long. I'm going to pop one there. Now comes the powder. I'm actually going to dig into the blush shade first in this palette just because it's so pretty, and I'm going to pop this into my crease. That literally blended like goddamn butter. For a blush, I mean, it's not even an eyeshadow, it blended nice. Now I'm going to reach into this purple shade that was literally speaking to me. This is like, oh, this is my favorite thing in the whole world. And I'm going to define my crease a bit more with this guy. And now into the darkest plum shade here. I'm gonna go right on the outer third of my eye and in a wee bit. I will say there is quite a bit of fallout on these shades, which is kind of unfortunate because they're so pretty. What I'm gonna do next is grab a wee bit of the black in here, and I'm going to go kind of along the tape and then meet it along my lash line to kind of smoke out a wing here. I'm not gonna apply too much, but like just enough to add a little bit more depth. Yes. I'm just gonna blend. Blend, 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 blend. There's a little bit more fallout than I wanted, but that's okay. Now I am going to take a concealer and I am going to carve out a little crease there because I want to put, I think maybe the gold there. I think that'd be really just feminine and beautiful and pretty. So on with the concealer. And honey, I gotta lean in for this. I can't pretend like I can do this from far away. I gotta bend in here, okay? Okay, oh my god. Wrecking my lights. Okay, it's applied. It's done. Ooh. So before, typically when I do an eye like this, before I put my shade on there, I go back into the color that I've always put here just to blend it over a bit. So a little bit more of that purple. It's gonna blend over just to create like a seamless, like, see how like nice and like airy and like feathery that is now? Oh yeah. And what the hell, let's put a little black there too, a little bit more. So this brush, this is by Furthest Cosmetics, and this is kind of like my all for one and one for all brush. I use this for everything. It's my favorite brush in the whole world. I just love it. I love the curve of it. It's delicious. So do I want to go in with this gold? Oh my god, it's so pretty, but this pink is also gorgeous too. Which one do I want to do? Ooh, okay, let's go in with the gold. The gold is gorgeous, so I'm gonna pick this guy up. Okay, it's pretty. I kind of wish I went in with the pink, I think, just to like brighten it up, but oh well. Now, I personally just simply cannot go on without glitter, so I have some Urban Decay glitter liners here, and I'm just gonna do my thing and line this line with this pink glitter. It's beautiful. This one is in the shade Grind. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh yes, oh yeah. And I'm gonna take a wee bit of that and just put it on the inner bits here and just drag it over just to add some dimension. I love doing that. I have another Curvitude liner. This is like still drying. These liners take forever to dry. It's the one thing I really don't like about these. I love them, but I also hate how they take forever to dry. This Curvitude liner, one of the best eyeliners I've ever used. I've gone through one already, and this is my second one I found in my drawer when I was cleaning out. How do I get this out of here? There we go. You guys, this eyeliner is phenom, so here we go. I don't know if I've ever mentioned why I love this eyeliner so much. So my eyes water like non-stop, and on the inner tear ducts you can always see little trails of black going up from my eyes watering. This is the only formula that does not bleed on me, which I love, and the application is great too. So let's peel off these tapes. So to finish off the eye, I'm just gonna grab this this middle shade here, and I'm just gonna drag it right underneath. And now I need a brow bone highlight, so I'm gonna reach into this Illuminator shade, which is actually for the cheeks, but we're gonna use it for the brows too. And now I'm gonna use this blush as blush. And obviously as my highlight, sure. I won't lie to you, that highlight's almost reading a little bit more pink than I wanted it to, and specifically on my skin tone, you can see it. So I am gonna go into the MasterChrome. This is the Holographic, and this is new. So excited to use this. So I'm just gonna pop some of that right on top. Oh my god. Damn. Yeah, I have to put some of that on my inner tear duct. No doubt about it. That is beautiful. Oh my god, I sprayed my mirror. I'm gonna pop some lashes on, and the lashes I'm gonna use are the eyelashes I actually used in my previous tutorial. These ones by TOK Beauty. They're just so beautiful, so I'm gonna pop those on. So I'm just applying some of the new Total Temptation mascara to my bottom lashes, and like, look at how beautiful they look. And this mascara smells like coconut. I can even smell it as I'm just putting it on my eyes now. Oh my god, you guys, it smells so good. And like, look at how black my lashes are. If I didn't have false lashes on today, I think this would have been amazing. Up top. Ooh. One more product that is, all of this stuff is new, but here we have a Lasting Drama eyeliner, and this is in the shade Shiny Bronze. So I'm gonna pop this in my waterline to brighten up my eyes. It says it's for an eye brightening effect, and it's long lasting wear. Yeah, awesome. This is like, just literally like the name says, it's like a beautiful, like shiny, like almost like gold color. Now, I don't know if that eyeliner did a ton, but I think it did something. I don't know, maybe I just thought that the color was gonna be brighter. Like, I can see it in my waterline. I think I just wanted it to be brighter, but because I'm so fair, it's kind of like, meh. Now, for lips, I have a lipstick here, and it is in the shade 698 Cruel Ruby, and it is a beautiful red, and also I'm living for the black packaging. I love it. I ain't gonna waste my time with a lip liner, so I'm just gonna go ahead. See, my whole thing has been, if you can apply lipstick perfectly without a lip liner, why do you need a lip liner? Like, I hate well, I don't hate lip liner. I just, there's a time and a place for it. And right now, right here, it's not the time or the place for it. This lipstick was super creamy. Ugh, I missed how Maybelline lipstick smelled. It smells like when I was younger. It takes me back. Okay guys, that is the finished look of me trying out all of these new Maybelline goodies. There are so many of them out there. Also, so I put on the Prismatic the Prismatic Holographic MasterChrome, but there's also a metallic one as well. And this is rose gold, so isn't that so cool? There's a rose gold one and a holographic. Look at how beautiful these are. So gorgeous. Ugh, this shirt is so dirty. It's like cat hair, powder. It's just the never ending. Like, velvet's never a good idea unless you're like quarantined, I feel. Like, really, it never is. I'll give you a little close-up of the look. Ooh. So there's the nice soft glam eye for your viewing pleasure. I have a baby here and she's sleeping and she's using my Glam Glow moisturizer as a pillow. I'm gonna try and lift her up. So she might be really cute, so she might stretch. And okay, hold on, I'm gonna try. Oh! Oh, oh, I love when she stretches. It's so sweet. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we will see you in my next one. Say bye, baby. Bye, guys. Look, we have a baby here. Oh, we have a baby. You haven't made an appearance in such a long time. It's because all she likes to do is nap. Hey, boy. Hi. He gets jealous. Come on up. Come on. Come on up. Come on. Baby, you look like an old emperor.